Dear students, in our last classes we have discussed about basic proportionality theorem and the converse of basic proportionality theorem, and also we have solved some problems by using these theorems. So here we are going to prove one important theorem that is based on areas of similar triangles. So the statement is like this: the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So here ABC is a triangle and PQR is a triangle. The triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then to prove, we have to prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. Then construction. So draw AM perpendicular to BC. So I have already constructed this. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Then proof. So what is the area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half base into altitude, that is half BC multiplied with AM, and area of triangle PQR is equal to half QR multiplied with PM. So area of triangle ABC, that means we have to find the ratio of their areas, divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to half BC multiplied with AM divided by half QR multiplied with PM is equal to BC by QR multiplied with AM by PM. So let this is our equation 1. So now take two triangles ABM and PQN. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN, angle B is equal to angle Q, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Yes, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ is equal to 90 degree by our construction. So that means the third angle must be equal. So this implies triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN by angle similarity criteria. So if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So this implies AB by PQ is equal to AM by PM. AB by PQ is equal to AM by PM. So let this is our equation 2. But AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to SC by PR. As triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So put AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR in equation 2. So this implies here in place of AB by PQ we have to put BC by QR. So this implies BC by QR is equal to AM by PN. So this is our equation of AM by PN is equal to BC by QR in the equation 1. So put AM by PN is equal to BC by QR in equation 1. So this implies area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, so here in place of AM by PN we have to put BC by QR. So BC by QR multiplied with BC by QR. So this is equal to BC square by QR square. So as we know, BC square by QR square is equal to AB square by PQ square is equal to AC square by PR square. So this implies area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. So this is proved. So let us solve some examples by using this theorem. Here is the example 9 of your book. In figure, the line segment XY is parallel to the side SC of triangle ABC and it divides by the line segment XY. The ABC triangle is divided into two equal areas. So find the ratio AX by AB. So in triangle BXY and triangle BAC, angle B is common and angle X is equal to angle A and angle Y is equal to angle C. These are corresponding angle. As XY parallel to SC given. So by angle similarity condition, these two triangles are similar. So triangle BXY is similar to triangle BAC by angle similarity condition. So if these two triangles are similar, then by our previous theorem, the ratio of the areas of the two triangles is equal to the square ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So this implies BX square by BA square is equal to XY square by SC square is equal to BY square by BC square is equal to area of triangle BXY divided by area of triangle BAC. So here it is given that area of triangle BXY is half of area of triangle ABC. As this is given by the line segment XY, the triangle ABC is divided into two equal areas. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So here as we have to find out AX by AB, so we have to take only this ratio. So this implies BX square by BA square is equal to 1 by 2. Or this implies BX by BA is equal to 1 by root 2. So here we have to find AX by AB. So to find AX, we have to subtract BX from AB. So here if we subtract this from 1, so 1 minus BX by BA is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. So this implies this is BA minus BX by BA is equal to root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So this implies AX by AB is equal to root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So this is the answer. So in this way we can use the theorem, the area theorem related to similar triangles in solving other problems.